a web page your own, how you can create a website on your own without using a code. As you all know, creating a website involves coding. And coding is just like, as we know, the numbers, the comma, plus, minus. But the other way that you can do a website, a fully domain website with a lot of information that you don't even need to have any background knowledge on information technology or coding. So you'll be able to with your knowledge of copy and paste, so you can be able to create a web page. So that audio is not disturbing. Abubakar.
Yeah, sir?
I hope the other audio is not disturbing.
Oh, let me see.
The audio of my screen, the other screen.
No, it's not disturbing.
Oh, okay, all right. So before we start the main hands-on training, because I would like you to all have a computer with you so that we'll be doing step by step at the end, every one of us should create a web page by himself. Then later on, when we share the materials, then you can go home and practice. So let me start with this slide as an introduction. Okay, are you all seeing the slides?
Yes, we can see the slides.
Okay, all right. So outline. So what we are going to do today is to just have a brief information about what is a website for a layman's term, and then what is domain and subdomain, and then the application of websites and how to design it. So designing, we'll look at how to create a page and also how to add multimedia. So going by website in a layman's, we all know it, website www.this.that, but to some, we need to go down to break it so that we all understand, so that anywhere we see, we know what it involves. So a website is like a house where information is stored in the rooms. So like in room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4, room 5, room 6, all have different information there. So this is exactly how like a website is. Each room has its own information. So but this, as it is, it has so much to it that we really need to know. It needs a host. Like any house you see, it must be located in a city, in a village, or anywhere. It should be located in a place. So just like a website, it's located somewhere else. So where it is located, or the person who is locating, or the place that's locating that website, is what we call host. So you like hosting organization, hosting company, hosting this, hosting that. So these are like the area, the place, or the company, or the server that hosts your website. So if you do a website, that website is somewhere someone is storing the information. So just like a house is somewhere in the city, in a town, located. So a hosting company is just like a town where the website or the house is located. I'm just using house so that we appreciate it. So in that house, that's me, our website, you need a direction to reach that house. Assuming in this town, like the house is here, so you need a direction or an address where I can take you to this. That address is what you call a domain. We'll have like a www.this.that. So all those dot is a domain that will lead you address or to that house. So that's a domain. A domain is just like an address, taking you like a GPS, follow left, follow right, all to that house. So like you see, there are so many houses here. That means there are so many other addresses, but the domain will take you straight to this, specifically to your, that's the house we are talking about. Then after the domain, it could be a full domain where the hosting organization or company will take you directly to the house, just like this. just like this, the house owner, that's the hosting, or the town owner, sorry, in this case, in our scenario, will take you straight to the house. So you have full ownership. You just give you full address. If you come, just drive straight. So you have full access, full direct. I mean, you don't need anybody to drive you there. You don't need anybody to ask for directions. You just drive your car straight. So example of this is, and I'm not promoting GT, but I'm just using it as an example, like www.gtb.com. That is what you call a full domain. It's click straight to the GT Bank web address. That's the house we are talking about. So another one that's called, and this one you need to pay to get a full, just like if you need anything fully packaged, at least you have to pay. So that's like this one. And another one, like what we call a subdomain. So a subdomain, you need like a parent donate to take. In this case, like you need, I'm just using KK as an example. You need a KK, a sub or something to take you to that website or our house in this scenario. So in this case, like this is the main host, then this is your web address, I mean, as an example. So the guy knows the address, so he just goes straight to the address. So in this case, if most of the subdomains are free, I mean, you don't need to pay, because if you are using your name, how did you come? I use Keke Napep. So that addition of Keke Napep you are using is at the same time promoting them. So you can't use www.gt.com in this case. You have to attach that taxi that is taking you to that house. So anyway, you see like our Pharmacy Scholars Initiative.weebly. So our Weebly is our taxi in this case. It's one taking us to a website where information about Pharmacy Scholars Initiative is stored. So anywhere you see www. another name in between before.com, that's what you call a subdomain. It means you don't have full control of the website. That host has some level of control over your website. And there are some features that you cannot access. Assuming you cannot create email for your members. Like if someone is using Farm Scholars Initiative, I can use like Ibrahim@farmscholars.com. But someone who is working at GT can use like Abubakar@gt.com. Like, so in this case, you don't have this asset because it's free. But this guy, you can pay to premium, then you can remove that Weebly, so you can have your full name straight. But the information is still stored in that server owned by Weebly, just like our town where our house is located. So the house, our website is in the town that's in Weebly. But if we are using full, we don't have to attach Weebly to it. That's full domain. If you are using subdomain, we have to bring Weebly to it. So that's the difference between. So in this case, what I'm trying to take us, the process are still the same for full and subdomain in this our case. But because we are not paying, so we have to use subdomain. So at the end, we attach that name at Weebly. So now we have to move into the hands-on training. So I would like us to be sure that all of us have laptop with us. So let me stop sharing this screen now. So please, I would like to know how many of us are having laptop with them at the moment. I will know how many people are following as we move on. Hello?
26.
Please, how many? Okay, Sarah Jude is having. Just you can raise up your hand. I can see you. Okay, yes, Amidu.
I'm good.
All right, who else? Okay, yeah, so many people are having. Can we please unmute our microphone while, yes, I still need more people, please. Mubarak, are you with your computer? Only 3 people.
Yes, sir, I'm trying to connect now.
Okay. So yeah, 4. Dr. Isa Deneji. Yeah, all right. So Mr. Chairman, yes, Isa has been. Can we have more, please? Because that's the most important part. Because the issue with, if you are using this, this is a simple process that you don't need much technicalities in creating this. And it's something that you can use and it will really, really help you to promote yourself. Like our presenter who was part of our webinar last time, if you look at his website, how he packaged himself, you agree with me that there is really need for us to.
Exactly.
I'm trying to create my personal website when I'm still jobless. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. 7. Any more? Please?
Yeah, so I think amongst us, we have some students who currently may not have a laptop.
Okay.
Due to one reason or the other, light or something. You understand? So I believe most of them are jotting it down.
Okay, no worries. We can let's start. At least we can share the recording and yeah. But at least if you are using it like a phone, yeah, you can try. It worked on the app mobile version. Alkasun.
Yes.
All right, so let me share the screen.
Okay, sir.
Just see my screen.
Yes.
All right. All right. So this is the Weebly domain I just talked about. So if you have your laptop with you, open your browser and type www.weebly.com. The name is on the screen. Let me know if you're all there. The name. Are we there? All right, so this is the website, www.weebly.com. So if you open it, there is sign up. So you need to sign up. I mean, you need to register. So if you have your email address with you, let's move on. So you can click sign up. If you have Google account, you can just click log in with Google. So you just enter the address. So let me use my Gmail. Gmail. You can use your phone if you have. So next. So you can put a password. So I will put my password. So this is if you already, this is if you already have a Gmail, sorry. So you can sign in with your Gmail. Then you proceed. Are we all there? Then if you don't have Gmail, you can go back and create sign up. So you can follow the procedures and create with your own email address. Maybe if you are using Yahoo. So you can, sorry, this system is a bit slow. So you can use here, you can enter your name, Ibrahim. So you cannot put your email address here. So let me still put mine. The reason why we are using an email address so that you can have the ownership of the website, and at any point in time you can come back and edit. Please let me know if you are following. So you can create a password specific to you. So I did mine. Then the country you are. Click agree. Then you continue. So it's telling me the address is already in use, meaning I've already had the address before. So, but that's how you follow. Are we all following?
Yes, sir, we are still signing up.
Okay, all right. So just let me know when you finish.
Please, I have a question.
Yes.
You said it showed that it's already in use, right? Because you've already registered with it.
Yes. Because
the same thing with mine too.
Okay.
It's showing me that the email is already in use, and I've never registered with Weebly.
Do you have another email? Or do you have, is it Gmail?
Yes, it's Gmail I'm using.
Okay.
It's showing me,
if you are using Gmail, can you follow the other way, log in through Gmail?
Okay, but it's already showing me that what kind of website will I want to create?
Yeah, that's beautiful. That you're on it. Yeah. Okay. Let me use another email so that we all be on the same page. Let me use the.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Also, I have the same response. That means we're okay, man.
Hello, sir.
I'm
Good morning, sir.
I'm coming so that let me use a different email so that we'll be on the same page.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir.
At Gmail. Okay, not signed in, sorry. This is new one. Sorry. So can I assume that we are all using Gmail?
Yes.
All right. So I'm using a different email address. So hope I remember the password.
Hello.
Yes, I'm trying to get the password.
Dr. Jato.
Yes, sir. If you have any question, ask me before I proceed to get this password. Somebody want to ask me something?
We can continue.
No, I'm trying to get the password so that we all sign.
Okay.
This one is. Yes, I got it.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I used my email to create my Gmail to create it, and it's now asking me, do I need a website or?
Yes, I'm coming to that position. Yes.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay.
I just want us to be on the same. Now I'm signing in with. Yeah, so we're creating a new account. Are we all here? Have you all seen this? Sign up.
Yes, we can see it.
All right. Do you all come here, Ibrahim? So why is not procedure? Okay, so wrong. Yes, so hello.
Yes, we're there.
Okay, so
Yeah, good.
here, what kind of
Hello,
website
we are
would you
there,
like
we
to
are there.
create? So is it a business website where you can create branded website? I think if Brodo is here, that would be a place for you. And then are you selling items or online? Maybe if you have a community pharmacy, sell food, self-reservation, connect my Instagram automatically. So, or you just like a website, like to create a portfolio site, to create a blog, but no plans to sell anything online. So which one do we want us to go? Can we try this or this? Which one should we go first? Personal or what?
Personal website.
Okay, so let's try this one. Can we just go straight? All right, so this is, what should I write this? So here you can always come back to it. So you can select a template, the template you would like to use. So this is, you can see how it will show when you open it. It could be if you're with First Bank, there is an elephant. If you like going for holiday, like a puppy, like you like food. So which one are we selecting? You can pick anyone anyway, but let's have one that will all be on the same page. So it could be portfolio, it could be personal, like you want to market yourself. It could be an event, maybe if you're having a wedding, so you want to promote it through a website, or you want to launch something for disease, like people to marathon, people to pay
Great.
and use the money to pay someone for his condition or something like that. If you want to create a blog, like something currency, if you want to maybe do traditional or something, you know, watch out to TikTok, something like that, or any other one. So, let's see. So, which one are we using?
Creative ambitions.
Can we use portfolio or business? Anyone can.
I think everybody should choose what they want to create. Since
No,
it's
I want
all
us
going
to. No, I want us to do it the same thing. Then later, everyone can go home and do it on his own. So again,
Okay.
let me pick this one. Let me say portfolio. So can we pick any background here? Let me see what's in person. No. Event. So can I pick this one? Chama, which one can we pick? I just want us to be interactive.
Yeah, yes, that one.
Let's go with this nigga. So what he's saying is like, if you create, that's how the home will appear. You can change this guy background. And this my adventure, you can change it. This is my story. Like if you want to share with people what's your are we listening?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So let me so that we see the other background. It's like so you can see how it will appear. Shop, about, updates, contact. Are you all following?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, my one is not echoing.
Yes, we are.
All right. So you can like shop, you can add what you want to sell, you can, but what I'm trying to say is here, you can change everything at any time. It doesn't have to be what is appearing here. So for portfolio, the same thing. For personal, like let's see this, you can share your story, but I told you can as well anytime come back and change it. You can create blog, but you can as well anytime come back. So let's pick this one. So okay, let me start with this nigga. So like this, let's be on this page. Can we all click here?
Yeah.
Are we there?
Yes.
So like this is what we pick. So you start editing. Sorry, the system is a bit slower. Yeah, so this is where what we call back end. Back end is like if you went to a restaurant to buy food, the only thing you see at where you are sitting is just chairs and some table. But where they are cooking, that's what we call a back end. That's where everything is. Yeah, just like a lecturer in university. His office is the back end. That's why he's forming his lecture notes. Sorry for using this. So here you have to use a name. That's what you call a domain name, address. Number 3, Julde Street, or something like that. So can we create a name?
Yeah, we can go with that.
No, we can't go with this. This is a full domain. So you just have to attach in it. Okay, let's assume hands-on training. Please, everybody put any name that he would like to. Hands-on training. You can put any name. Then you now click and see, is this name available? Yes. So mine says yes. Available.shop.com, available.training24.com. These are the names that they are available. But let me see if there's any. Just yes, hands-on training, hands-on personal training. My hands-on training. So anyone you can just pick. I just want to get a shorter one. Anyway, we are not using it. So let me pick this one. So you can put Julde SMJ / any, just any name. Then you now see. So what are they telling me? Okay, that's if you want to upgrade your site. That means from subdomain to full. That's why they will give you everything. You don't have to attach a subdomain. Then you take the one that you want and you go ahead. But I don't think we need any we just don't need it. So you cancel. So this is our, where are you going? So this is our back end. This is where we design our table. This is where we design our. It's still asking me. All right. So we don't need to have any domain, so we can just delete it. Are we all here?
Yes.
Borodo, Dr. Daneji,
Yes.
are we all here?
Yes, we are here.
Okay, all right. So this is what you call the home page. Just like in your car, this is the dashboard, this place. So the home page is like the front of the house we are talking about. This is where people, if they visit your site, this is where they will first see. So if the front of your house is poorly designed, the person will be saying, this guy is a poor guy. I may not have to enter the house. Or if you just like your car, the outside, if the paint is very old, so people, like if you're using it for commercial, people will say, no, this is an old car, it will not go anywhere. So you need to package the homepage. So you can delete this. So let me put, you can put any name. So let me delete hands-on training. I may not need this one, so let me delete it. I'll bring it back. Delete. So we can actually change this guy. And I want us to change it now. I'll click this theme. You go to change theme. So from here, you can select as many as you can. If you don't like anything from here, you can say custom. So why is not? Or you can import theme. So this is telling you the format of the theme that that works on the page. So you can select. So let me see, where is desktop? Hands-on training. Sorry, what is upload your own custom thing or something for themselves. Okay. Listen, sorry, this is not what I'm trying to do. Let's go back, please. You can still change this guy. Yes, replace. Aha, yes, that's what I'm trying to say. So you can upload from computer.
Sorry, please, can you go back to what you just did? I didn't capture it.
Okay, so let's go back. Cancel. So this is where we are. So what I did is I click on it. If you click, it will bring you down here, edit background. So I click edit background. It says replace. So you can replace from your computer. You click, then I use desktop where I save some pictures for this training. So you can put anything. So sorry, I'm using it without the permission. So if the size is not possible to use, it will tell you. So this is the background. This is what people will see in the homepage when they see it. So you just save it. So we now have a background for our website. Are we there?
Yes.
All right. So you can edit this, you can delete everything. So I'll delete and bring them back. Well, I'll do a new one. This is a spacer, which is needed. So like this, you can edit it, but then I just want to delete and do everything afresh. You can delete. I don't want to edit it. I want us to do something new. Edit. So we can edit. So now we have a blank web page. Let's delete this one. All right, this guy. We can keep this one. All right. So what you do, you go back. Are we all here?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me delete this one also. So in your website, the first page or the home page, people mostly want to see what you call multimedia. First, you want to know what you are doing, what the website is all about. And then the next thing is they will be attracted with like pictures or video. So let's put something about our website. So here is the name of the website or what our website is. But here you can put something so that people will know. So you can go to build. So you can put title. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
So you can drag.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Let me take it back. Billy, you wanted to say something?
I'm having slow internet connection, so I'm a little behind.
All right, but you are seeing what we are doing.
Okay, I'll just go
You
ahead.
can just go. I don't want to put it here. I would like to put it on top of this. Yeah. So this is, you can drag it anytime. Yes. So you can put the heading here or you can drag it up again. So you can put anything here, like who we are or about or something. So you can change, you can make it bold here, you can change, you can make it bigger, you can change the color, you can make it blue, you can change the position, anything you want to do, you can attach a link to it, like an external link. Then if you want to write a text under, you drag text, you put it here. So here you can say, we are company in charge of creating the website. So, but maybe you may, let me just delete these guys. So you may need to add some, like I said, some pictures so that people would see clearly what you are doing. So in this case, you have option. Number one, you can either add a picture just as it is, or you can add what do you call it? A slideshow where it will be clipping. So let's try the two. I just try to delete what is already there so that I have a new page. You can do it from your end. I think that's the only remaining. All right, so I think we have a blank. So you can see the basic thing that you can add: text, title, image, gallery, slideshow. That's what I'm talking about. Then you can add a map where people can locate where you are, contact phone where people can click and send information to you. And then this is star, that means you have to click to use them. So, but you can add a script. That's what I always use to add a PDF. You can add a YouTube video, you can add a file. We will do it then now. So now let's add image. So you can bring it down here. So all what you need to do is just click the image, click photo, then it will take you here. So you can just pick one, then just pick this snippet here. All right. So that's the first one. So you can add a title or a caption to tell people what is happening there. Or if you want to add gallery, that means you want to add more than one photo. So you can add it here. You click it. So it will take you to where you have your pictures. So you just click shift, click the last one, all picked. Then you have your gallery. So it will display the pictures like a layout so that people will see. Then you have a slideshow if you want. That's what I always like because it shows that you're a professional. And it's okay, like simply show. Let's do this one. So the same thing. Click sheet, last one, click everything. So in this case, we have a slide. So you save it. So it will be, when we publish the website, you'll see how the pictures are. You can even see it now, it has started. Can you see? So this is roughly our home page. I'll come back to the other. Okay, now you need to put a contact so that people will contact you when they need additional information. So you can put contact. Let me put it here. So people can send you an email. You can put, please for more information or something, contact us. You can change the location at any time. Save. Is this echo disturbing you?
Yes. Somehow.
Chairman, is this echo disturbing you?
Yes,
I don't know how to stop it.
but we are following, sir. You can continue.
How about now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. Oh, I can. Let me leave this one. So are we all here?
Yes.
All right. So this is our website. We added. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. I think the echo has gone. So this is the website. The what we added and the contact form is here. So let's go to gallery. This is another page that you can. Okay, let's just publish it in this first page. Let's see how it looks. So all here, have you all added a background, heading, text, contact form, image or picture, and the slideshow? Are we all here?
Yes, sir.
No, are we all here? Please let me know so that we are on the same page. Hello, can I continue? Judy,
Yes.
can I proceed?
Yes, proceed.
So if you are all on this page, let's publish our website and see. So have you seen this publish? So you click it. Oh, it's saying we haven't put our domain. All right, let's put it now. Select our domain name. Pharmacy. But we have this one, so it's more. Spam. So this one is showing unavailable. All right, so our website is published. So our website is now live. So let me click it, then you now see our web page that we just created. You just click here and done. That is where we are. See, that's our website created. See, so you can see where we are, who we are, the form, the image we put, and the gallery we put, and the slideshow. You can see it from page to page. Can you see? So that is it. That is the web page, and that's the website we just created. And that's how you do if you want to create other ones. And let me send it to. I can send the link, so you can just click here, copy. You go to WhatsApp and you can send it to one you want. You can just click here, paste, and then boom. Our website. You can just click send, and then when you touch it, it will open it. Boom. Your website is here. So now we have created a web page. So simple, so easy. No need for any coding, plus, minus, dots, nothing. It's just you copy, drag, that's all. So that is, we just created, or we just edited a home page. So you can anytime go back, if you want to continue editing, you have to go back to the back end. That is, so you can pause here, come back, and you continue. So here, has anyone created his website, please? I want us to know before we proceed. Julde, Barodo, Nambata, are we all here?
Yes, we are here.
Did you create yours?
Unfortunately, I just joined, but inshallah, I will follow the recorded version to get the part I missed earlier.
Okay. Brother, did you create?
No, I've not finished. I was lost at where we are supposed to choose domain. It
Okay,
took me to
so the domain,
prizes or something like
if you put it at the end, you will see choose subdomain.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen it?
Okay, thank you.
When you put the name, it will on top it show you .com. Then at
Yes.
last one, the last box, it will show you choose as subdomain.
Okay, let me go back.
Then when you click, it will just roll and take you to, yeah. Maje,
All right,
are we all there? Is Julia
I'm
lost? Who
Yes.
lost?
I lost at the point of having slideshows.
Oh, okay, you can leave it. Just continue to click publish.
Okay.
When you click publish, it will ask you for domain name. So you put a unique one. But just, I know it's up, Julie. Safa, are you there?
Hello, I'm almost there. I'm a bit stuck here.
So where? At which stage?
In our designing, I'm at the design stage.
Okay, we can design another page now. I just want you where you are, just publish it so that we can always come back to, yeah. When you publish, to ask you to register a name, so you can just put any name. The first one, because they are marketing.
I've done the name, I've done all that.
So have you
Well, I was
published?
trying to design its name, but let me just go straight away to publish.
Yeah, so when you publish, to open another window, so you see the website.
Okay.
You cannot do anything, you can just share the link, you can't edit from there. That's the finished product. Sadiku, okay, Sadiku, I know you're using your phone. Salim, are we on the same page? Prof. Mustafa. So, Ajaskia, are you with us? Can I proceed?
Yes, you can proceed.
Okay, we don't have to follow all the, let's just the basic, create text, create heading, create pictures, publish. If you publish, to ask you for a domain name, so you can put any name. It will attach, the first one, it will show you where you need to, if you have a full domain, it will show you .com straight. If you want to have subdomain, that the last part, it will show you choose subdomain. So you click, it will continue, then it will now show you a blue, so you can just click on that blue, it will automatically open.
Remind them again, please.
Yeah, we are going to create another page. I just want us to be on this page now. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, so this is our homepage that we just created. So if you want to create a, assuming if you are marketing a product and you just want to display the product, or you just need a page where you can, now we are time now. So, okay, sorry, here you can put the name of your site. That's, if you want to put a tag, you can change it, you can just type, sorry, here. You can just put any, like, let's say, a shadow stone. So that's, maybe this is, I don't know, of our website. It doesn't have to be the web address. Or it could be the logo. So you just go back to your file and bring the logo. So let me use my, you can just click here. See, to just show the logo here. Can you see it? And you can as well off it. I want people to see anything. Or you can bring it back low, or you can bring it as text. So let me, so that's this, the basic one. And if you want to create a page, here it will only take 3 pages. Can you see that's home, that is here, gallery, that is here, and content, that is here. So you can add more. Assuming here, you can just click plus. So what do you need to do? It is standard page, the one we just did. It's like a blog page where you can have different products. Or is it a specific product you want to market? Maybe Samsung or Tecno, or you want to promote an external page or non-clickable menu. So anyway, so we can do the tool. I will do standard page and blog. Then on your practice, you can practice another. So if you click this, so you need to name the page. Can you see it as like a template? So you need to put the name. Let me put InnoStone. So click here. InnoStone has already been named. Here, my product. Let me see hands-on. This is what the page contains, training. So you can also add more pages to it. Like you have a master bedroom, you have, or like an apartment, you have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, so you can add other pages to it. So that's so you can, if you want to add, you can click done. Or if you want to add, you can still add page. Let me add blog so that I can do everything at the same time. I'll add my blog. So done. So this page, if I want to create it under InnoStone, all what I do, I'll just click and hold it inside. So it will become like a daughter to Inno, like a page under InnoStone. So you can click here. I'll just write my blog. Or, okay, let me say soap making. I think that would be soap making. Sorry, I have to edit your name. Okay. So like under hands-on training, I can put soap making. So you can see hands-on training. If you go to hands-on training, under it, you can see soap making. So understand that this is the main page. So this is like a template. This is the heading. So you can drag it up and down anywhere you want it. And then if you want to create the page, You now go back. So what do you want to put on this page? I think we have put text for title. So you can tell people what the page. So you can click here. Page or we manufacture and produce homemade products for free. Let's assume. So you can if you look, it is too tiny, you can increase it. You can change the style. You can make it bold. You can change the color, but because it's black background, so I don't need to change it. So you have this. So you may also try to add some pictures to grab attention. So you can go image, you can just drag it. Like I said, it's your. So you click on it. Click on it again. There we are. Done. So your image is already here. But if you need more text, like if you want to read more about it, let me just copy and paste anything on the sort making. Copy a text and paste it there. You can type because you don't want to plagiarize in your website. People can take you to court. This is a marketing issue. So then you go back. So they say drag elements here. Elements mean anything here. So what I copied is a text. So you drag text, you bring it here, and all what you need is click and paste. Done. So this is text. You can add address where people can find you. You can drag and put it. You can add spacer. So if you have like a PDF, more information about this soap making, let me convert this one. Let me make it like a PDF. So a PDF. So you can just download this guide. Then where is the download? All right, review. I just want to use this as an example too. If you have a PDF in your system, you can just use it straight. So this is my folder. So you soap making. It's a very important stage. You will really use it later. And it brings some level of expertise to you. So we are here. So I want to upload that PDF first as a script document. So you click here. Let me know if I'm too fast. So this is how it will appear. So you click how you want it, large, medium, and normally use medium for those who use mobile phones to view. So computer, soap making, open. and give you some time. Done. So it will process because it's a bit heavy document. Depends on your internet. But this is the laptop. It's a bit old. So anyway, it will keep processing at the end. It will come out. So if yours is like one page in uploading, it's loading. So like we have created a text, that's the title, a text, that's the content, a picture to depict what we are doing. Then more information about soap making if you want to type or to put. Then if you have like that you want people to access, you can upload it through script document, or you can upload it through a file. That's the next one I want to use. But this guy is. Anyway, if there's any question, please ask me before we proceed while this page is loading. Are we on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Alaji, are you on the same page? You know, Bello.
Yes, President.
Kasani me gidan ka ne. Okay, I think I really wanted this one to show, but the system is a bit slow. I think I can proceed with while it is loading. So you can also make it as a file. But the issue is this script document, it will give you a preview, like see what, and maybe the first page of the document before you go in. While the file, it will just show you a link, which is I don't always use it because it's not that professional. So you can drag it as usual. So you click on it, it will still show you upload. You go to the system and you click on it, done. Are we there? So that's the file we just uploaded. And we just have to wait for this. Aha, it's done. Are we all here? So can you see now how it will look like? 1,000 document pages. No, that's the reason why. So now we have the document as a script. We have the document as a file. So now we have created a page with text, heading, text as a content, picture, text as a document in script format, and as a file. Are we all here?
Sorry, I have a question, please.
Yes.
So could you show me how you did the script aspect? I was able to upload as a file and as that script document. But that script, I wasn't able to do it.
Okay, the script, it will take a bit time. It's still the same process. I don't want us to go back because it took us time. What you need
No, not. Okay, I just want you to show me like where to click.
Okay, here, that's it. Here, so you just drag it and bring it, and you click the center. It will show you click it. So when you click, it will take you to where you bring it from your computer.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so I'm assuming you're all here. So just let's publish and see how our system. Let's click publish and allow it to run. Done. So as usual, I'll close the previous window. Then you click here. Done. Then your website is here. Can you see the page? You just click it. Done. This is your page. This is the text. This is the script. So you can just scroll here to view the page you just uploaded, or you click making. Stop making. When you click to just download straight, it will not open. See? Yes. All right. It will just go straight. You go back to your website. So this is like a website. I mean, this is fully website. The only thing, like I said, is added Weebly because we are not paying. So you can come back home. That's our home page. From home page, you can click here. That's hands-on training. So that's how it will appear. So you can click here. Let me post it on click WhatsApp. So let me see, who will I send? Okay, sorry, I have sugar bar. Okay, let me share it here. So if you share a link like this, what do? You allow it, I give it some time for all those cookies to. So if you give it some time, give you all this preview. But if once you press and click send, it will just show you the link. But if you click and give it some time, then it will roll, then it will open everything. So like here, that's our website. Can you see the logo has come out? And so you just click straight. Your website has opened. So if you share it on WhatsApp, when people click, that's how they will see. So you can see your logo, and then you can see the home. You can see the home we created. You can see this hands-on training. So people can scroll. Oh, let me read more about it. So they can go, if they want to download, they can click download page, or they can just straight download it. Are we all here? I just want to be sure that we are all following. I don't want to be the only person talking. So who created his website?
So when
anyone who created his website should let us know, so let us know we are progressing.
I've created my.
Lukman.
Dr. Jato, when I click publish, it's taking me to a place that I have to make payment.
No, because you use full domain. When you are putting there are two lists. The first one is full domain, and the last one, it will show you, it will actually choose subdomain. That's where you see it add Weebly to the name you put. Like if you web address, you see .weebly.com.
Okay.
So you go back, it will show you subdomain, you choose. When you choose, it will now bring you down. Anyone who has his website ready? Please, I want to see someone with website ready, so that I know we are all following. Inua.
Yes,
You
President.
know, have you created?
Not yet. My system stopped.
Yeah, subhanallah.
So, you know Nigeria now. I'm close to Kunya, so there is no good network there.
No worries, sir. So anyone who everyone, so anybody who wants to talk can unmute. Please, anybody who has his website ready, so that we'll know we are on the same page. There's no point going and but I know you joined late, but any progress? Borodo,
Yes, Prof.
are you there? Have you created the web page?
Not yet. The problem is any word I use, it keeps on telling me it's not available on the subdomain. So I've been trying and changing.
Just use any Hausa word.
Oh, okay.
Because it does
My web,
not, that's not.
my
Yes, Safa. Okay, yeah, I'm listening.
but my website is ready, but all the editing that I did is no more there. So I don't know. Just picture, only the background picture.
Okay, I'm coming.
No longer there.
Let me see.
Okay. I'm doing it on my system. Let me see if I can share it with you.
Yeah, okay, so yes, it's here. I saw your logo.
Okay, you saw my logo?
I saw your logo here, and it's still open. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so, okay, yeah, that's nice. So, yes, I saw your logo. Then, so you need to populate it. Home.
Everything that is no longer there.
Uh-oh. Anyway, you have this thing open, but you have the, what do you call it? You have the back end open.
Okay.
This one.
Let me
close this. This build.
Okay.
You click on that build, then you start putting the text, putting the image, putting the gallery.
Okay.
Yeah, do it now. Let's see. So, Safia, what did you say?
I said the words I was using were not available on the subdomain.
Just just type number at random.
Okay.
Oh yes, but in the subdomain, yeah, you see you see .weebly. Make sure that that .weebly is in the name. Just
okay.
Because just add any house name. That's
okay.
Julia, are you there? Margie, is anyone who has his website ready to share the link with us? Let's see. Ramata, what's your challenge now? Salim, Haruna, anyone? Mustafa, are you with us? Amidu.
So I've shared my website link.
Okay, yes. So let me see. Please, anyone who has his website ready should share with us. Let's see. Are you this one is not showing anything.
I can't even log into the website again.
No, you don't need to, because that's what I said. Weebly is still open. it will always be open.
So how do I get back to it? I'm just on the home page and I cannot go back.
Well, I said that website is, you can't edit it. But when you are doing, you already have your Weebly. That's what I said, like a back end where you'll be manipulating. Then when you click publish, it will open another window. Let me show you. If you click publish, it will roll in like this. Then it will up. Can you see? Then you click on this link. When you click on it, it will open another window. So that's your backend is still open. So maybe you have wrongly closed it.
I wrongly closed and I cannot go back to the back
No,
end.
it's, you see powered by Weebly?
Yes, I've seen it.
Click get started.
Started. Okay.
Then you start log in back.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me, I'm not too sure because I just saw web.com. I'm not too sure if this one. Yeah, beautiful.
It's taking me back to sign up.
Yes, you just sign in because you're no longer signed because you have already created the address. So, yeah, so I saw you, but you haven't done anything. Who shared this design tutorial.weebly?
I did.
Okay, but I've not seen any. Have you published it?
Yes, I've published it. I even wrote, check the, maybe
But
it's
have you put
skeleton
all the
for-
background? I just see your logo. But you have not put the pictures that we put, the text.
Okay, I'll do that. But check the
Please
blog
do it.
site.
Yes, but it's on now. I can see, yes. I can see hands on training, so please, we are moving. Julie, have you
the blog
page? Who else is with us? Who else is following? Burji? Burji has left. Abu Abdulkadir Saad.
I still cannot sign in. Log in, I mean.
With the email you use?
Yes, it's taking me there. It took me to a website, Square One.
Yes, that's Square One. That's the one responsible for. It's the one hosting.
Oh, okay, I'm able to access it now.
Exactly, I have. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Sam. Are you following the hands-on? I want every participant to create a website before we finish. Sir Labaran, sir, are you following, sir? Burji. So can I proceed, or we are all? Can I did another page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can proceed.
From fresh. So do you have your address ready, Haja?
Yes.
No, if you have, share it with us. I don't want us to continue without. Share the address with us. Just put any name. Just at the end you can come back and. You haven't gotten any name yet?
I used the house name, but
So-
it was still telling me I need to upgrade. So I don't know whether.
No, what I'm trying to say is guys, that there are two lists, the first and the last one. The last one will ask you subdomain. So
Subdomain, yes.
choose subdomain, yeah. And subdomain mostly is available.
Okay.
So when you choose it, it will automatically take you to the page. The first
Okay.
page. So can I continue? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
All right. So if you want to create another page, so you can click page. So this is a page. So you can add another name. So you can add another page. Yes, standard. So let me say, let me add a blog. This is the blog. So you can put any name here for the. So let me say, my YouTube. Let me see, put this one. All right, so this is a blog. So a blog is a little bit different from. So in this case, my products. So that is the title of this page. So you can change the background as usual and you can continue with it. So for this, for blog, you need to edit this one. Who is the author, write something, okay? Importer and exporter. Exporter of source. So you need to, any post, yes. So what is the post title? So with this one, if you create a title, it automatically converts it into a link or what you call a hypertext. So let's say Inobaso. So under Inobaso, what would you like to put? Let's assume I want to put a YouTube to display my video. So I will go now and look for YouTube. This is YouTube. So I'll click and drag as usual, put it at the center. So this video is unavailable. So what you need to do is, we have a channel. If you don't have, just open any YouTube, assuming you have the video. So this is my system. Like I said, the system is old. So this is a YouTube. So you can create a video if you don't have of your product, or you can use any available one. So let's do the. So as you can, hold this up, guy. All right, let's say soap making. So just pick any video, you click. Once it opens, there are two, you can go in two ways. Number one, you can right click when it's finished this advert. So you can right click. Or, sorry, this advert, okay. So you can right click. It shows copy video URL. You copy, or you go share. You copy it from here. Copy. What you do, you go back to your website here and add video URL. You just paste it and done. Okay, where is it? All right. Post it. It should post. Why is it not showing? I don't know why it's taking time, but once you click, this one will disappear and your video will be on. Okay, so has been disabled. Okay, so the video owner is not allowing us to share his video. So we can go back. Where are you doing this? So you can open another video. Let's copy this URL. You should go back, click, we delete the other one, press this one, and then that should be fine. Yes, so the video is now live. Can you see it? So the next thing you need to do is you can add other thing to it, file or product or anything, or you can leave it, or you can put a text, or you can put image, anything you want, then you post. It shows blog added. So you close this one, then you publish. So when you publish, let me close this window. So you just click Woodley, and done. Your page is here. So you can go to my products. You can see my products, and you can see, bar soap. Can you see the link? When I put this cursor, it shows a hand, meaning it's a link. It shows the date I published. Then people can interact, can write a comment on it. And then people can play the video straight. And people can like, or you can connect your Twitter handle here. So if you want to share, you can copy this straight, copy link, and let's say here, you can do this and paste. Sorry, like I said, if you just copy it and put it straight, it will not give you any like this, any sign or any preview to the page. But once you allow it for some time, then it will open and give you everything. So like here, you just click here straight, and it has given you my products, bar soap, and then everything is here. Or you can as well right click, copy link address, put it here, and paste. And here you are. So that's how this page is. And like I said, people can let's interact with it. Ibrahim, I don't need to put. Submit. Yeah, so if now if you have you receive it, let me check my email address. Then I'll now receive the comment. Okay. So you receive the comment I just write. I think I'll see it from here. or from the site. Let me see. I think it will post. Yes, you can see the comment here. Yeah, you can see it. So someone who visited the site can click on it and see the comment. See, Ibrahim wrote good product, and other people will see. If I used it and it was bad, I can make comment, you can say like, sorry for using this word, submit. So if somebody were to buy and see this, he will run away, he will not buy. So that's how a blog is. A blog, people can interact with, while other ones, other standard page, people cannot interact. Oh, sorry, my products. So that's how this blog is. You can see too. So if you have a Facebook, you can attach it here. And you see asking me to put my email address or the Facebook address. Then if I like it, it will automatically show in the email. So let me click here, close. So that's how a blog is in a website if you create it. So now this is our website, this is our home here, and this is our gallery here. Okay, no, we have not created any gallery. This is another page we created. The document we do user script, and then the download file. And then my product we use just now. So if you have like a pharmacy, so you can put some products, maybe supplements, or over-the-counter medication, or your what do you call it, your time. Just like let me use the pharmacy where I'm working. Yes, price line. So like here, so yeah, so you can put everything here. It's all located. That Google something. In-store services, track order, as in if you place an order, you see new arrivals, skincare, all, but you know all this in they are over the counter and supplements, and some are just cosmetic. So at least the law allows you to put them. Shop brands. So you can put everything that if there's any clearance that something you want to push at lower price, you can put it. And then this is the trading hours. And this is our boss, Jeff. You can put your picture. So that's how it is, and you allow others to interact with you. So this is, in summary, how you can create a web page using these basic features: text, image, gallery, slideshow. When you are practicing, you can add all this, read more, using button. We haven't used these ones, but it's just the same drag and drag. And we use how to add script, how to add YouTube, how to add file. And you also, you can add like social media icons, maybe WhatsApp, people can interact with you. And yeah, I think that's only once and we can also, we add also a phone that people can communicate with us. So let me just use this one as final one to show you how people can communicate with you and how you can receive it. Like here, oh no, sorry. So if you have any question, please, this is a long training, just let me know. Like here, ID, GA, my email. So if I open my email, Yeah, can you see a new contact form? So this is why you see what people, yes, see ID, the name of the person, his email, and the comment he made. So that is it. So this is our website. So this is how you can create a web page using just drag and drag. So I think that's the basic things we need to know. And thank you for taking most of your time. 2 hours is not a joke. So if you have any question, please let me know.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Jato. It's actually interesting and educating and straightforward. So can entertain question now. Maybe if you have any question, you just raise up.
If you have any question or if you created the website, please post the address. Let's see.
Or let me start with my own question, sir.
All right.
Yeah, I can see that we're using the host, the Weebly as a
Yes.
host. You know, recently for security purposes, I don't know, is there any reason why probably you prefer Weebly, or is based on security, or we can have others that are also secured or and also free?
Yes, yes, thank you so much for your question. The reason why I use Weebly is like I said, it just drag and upload. So it is easier and it's very friendly to use. But there's other ones like Simply. I think I Simply. There are many of them. Yeah, but this one is for convenience, is what I always prefer. Yes. So for the issue of security, or to be honest, previously they were just using as Weebly, but now they are now under this Square, and Square is the one that are using odds. They are involved in POS and yeah, POS security. So I think with this one they are, and they are also involved in all these online payments.
Okay.
Hosting all this online payments, anything that you enter your card, all the secure things. So when I saw this Square coming into Weebly, that's when I now have more assurance regarding security. Yes, sir. So any more questions, please?
I have a question.
Yes, yes.
If I want to change the domain name from the one I just did, is it possible?
Yes, it's possible. Initially, we were using Young Pharmacy Scholars as the domain name. So when we changed our, I simply went back and changed the name to Pharmacy Scholars, and it was available, and I just continued.
Thank you.
Yeah, but the email address you register it will not change.
The what?
The email address you use.
Okay.
It will still remain the same because that's the account. All other things will change.
Okay. So can you now open a new email address to start a website specifically for?
Exactly. Yes, you can open a new email address, log in again, sign up again, and start afresh. Yes, sure. Like I have two. Let me show you the other website I use using this. That's my from the working of Science College. I think if you click now, your can you see your website will be on Google search. This is the website I created on Google search. So you can see this is exactly how your website will look like. This is me. It's Adelede here. I saw him. Oh, I see in this picture. So this is how it will look like. So you can see all the offices, all the pages. Yes, you can see the gallery. That's the time we put all our kits there. So these are all pictures. So that's how if you put, that's how it will look like. And I think there's a time we put all our kits. So yes, Kids Corner. Oh, yeah. So this is just to put, these are executive then. Yes. So the executive, like I said, you can put a page within a page. This is a page in this page. Another one. So this is who, these are my friends. But that was then. So like another page where you can see more information. So that's how your website will look like. You just be navigating like a standard website. You just drag, copy and drag. So these are our members. And that's exactly how I used to do our pharmacy, what do you call it? Our PSI website. Pharmacy. So, but Jude, were you able to do your own?
No, I stopped.
Okay.
Problem with my internet connectivity on my laptop. So it's very slow. I don't know what is happening. So I had to stop just to watch what was going on. But I was able to go edit the other one that we, the previous one. But I couldn't create a new page. That was what I was trying to do.
Okay. Why is one not open? Anyway, let me not waste time on this. Anyway, this is the one I created a long ago, and that's how it looks. So it depends on you can manipulate it. Can you see the logo? You can manipulate it anyhow you want it, and it will look exactly like a standard website. You can copy the link, you paste it, and it will appear. Done. See, and most of the images also do go into Google image search, like the one with Topher. So when people click image search, most likely they'll pick some images that you uploaded in your website. Can you see the one? See? Can you see the address? So that's how.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's how it's. People will now see to increase the visibility of your. So any more questions? Because this is a very opportunity that, and to be honest, you will not get, or you have to pay a lot of money to get this kind of information or knowledge. And you can as well, if an expert is the one that you can use, like I said, to package yourself. Like this Philip Adu, you can just click. You see how he packaged himself. His website. See? Philip Adu uses full domain because he's using it to make money. You can see him here. You see? Start his books if you want to buy. He doesn't publish.
He's using a full domain?
Yes, the full domain because he's making money now. So this is resources. If you want to buy all this book, you follow it. His events, you see resources, contact me. He has 370 followers and he has a podcast. See, and I even posted our webinar, the one that he did for us. He did post it on his if you go to YouTube, he's there also. Let me take you to his YouTube. So it's like if you have this website, it's an endless opportunity that you can create for yourself. And it's just sitting on your table, click and paste, like Philip Adu. And that's how I met him. I met him through Facebook. See his book selling $386. All here are his books. See him? So you can click here. Yeah, see, he put it, see? He said, I had the opportunity to present on qualitative research at the 4th anniversary of Pharmacy Scholars Initiative. So just click and see our webinar here. Can you see the slide? This was, Nadia, Sophia was introducing him. So yeah, you can see all his slides for the presentation for the webinar. And this is where people are asking questions. Yeah. See, so you can do a lot of things with this. Just copy, drag, and go. Any more questions, please?
No,
Hello?
sincerely, I learned a lot today.
So any more questions? Are you there? Maybe you can contact me for more information.
Yes, I'll contact you when I'm ready to start up my own blog.
All right. Yeah, because as in the community pharmacy, and it's an added plus for you to have this. At least you can communicate, you can display products, and at least people ask you through it.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, Salim Al-Qasim, any more questions before we wrap up? Anyway, I will edit, or I will edit because it's very long, almost 2 hours. So I'll edit it and add it with our website and to our WhatsApp groups also. Can you see, just put it now and 69 people have viewed it. Some people like it. Anyway, so if you have any important question, you can always reach out to me. And yes, thank you so much. Yes, Mustafa asked that, what's the maximum size or capacity of items that can be uploaded for the free? You can upload. I told you it's just like a full version. The only thing that you cannot do with this is like you cannot allow, it won't allow you for other people to create a profile and cannot use it to assign an email address, and you cannot use a full name like mustafa.com. You must add at Weebly, no, .weebly.com. But you can upload, like I just uploaded 1,000, this, what do you call it? That this page is 1,000 plus pages of a document, and it's gone. And you can upload, like this YouTube is more than 1 hour. So you can upload as, can you see 1,182 pages? And you can upload as many things as you want, and as pictures, as anything. Like I said, the only thing you can, and if you are using it, it must be showing that get started. But if you have full, you can promote because you're paid for the service. And if you have also full version, you can access all this file upload, all this thing that has on it. Okay, this is blog. Let me get out. Yes, if you want to use this, you have to pay because it has. You can change it to mobile view. This is a mobile if you want to use. That's how someone who is holding a phone can see it. If you can desktop, you can go back to desktop. So any more question? Okay, somebody asked for a blog, how is using Flip? No, so like for a blog, there are two things. You can create blog as an entity using your Google account. And also you create a blog within your website. So it's not that Weebly is better than using blog. Like now we created a blog inside in our website. Where is the blog? Yeah, here. And that's what I always use, because using a blog, you can anytime click on the link to just take someone straight to the page. Blog. And in blog, people can interact and a little bit about what you are saying, and they can see who is the author. Page, if you look at it here, or let me use this one, it doesn't allow, it doesn't allow any action, no sharing with it social. So that's the difference. Any more question? We have spent more time. Anyway, if you have any other question, you can always send it to me. Okay, Hassan. Yes, to maintain your website, I think we can go. If you say upgrade, you will see how much you'll be paying per year or per month. See shadow stone. So you can pay Australian dollar, that's $7 per month. Australian dollar, I think, is 400 now. So 407, that's how much you'll be paying per month. That's for 2 years. Okay, annually, that's every year. Then for professional, we have seen all the, what do you call it? Or if you pay for professional, it will show you what you'll be able to see. Can you see no square branding? That means you'll not be seeing that pop-up coming out. And it's not a protected page. So if you are paying $30, these are the people. You can use business. That means you can allow people to buy products and pay. And people can review, put stars on it. And if you do the last one, the premium, $85 per month, and you can use all features, lowest processing rate, real-time shipping rate, like, so, but we decided to, because like for PSI, we don't have much funding that we can be paying all this. Maybe later we can, oh, no worries. So later we can see how we can progress to this when we are becoming bigger. So anymore, I just want people, please, if you have any question with me, make sure as you try to create the web, at least your website, then we can build on from there. Or if
question,
then I think what I will do, I think on Tuesday I shop every time. I think I'll find time on Tuesday, most likely, to create like some pages on slides, steps on how to create the web page. Then I'll share this video as well.
I have a question.
Yes, sir. That should be the final question. Is we have stayed long.
Yeah,
I'm listening.
For if you have a website now that probably you just intend to be sharing probably some, let's say, free books.
Yes.
Like books. What I'm concerned about is this sharing issue. You cannot share some books. You can authorization.
Yes, no, okay. You mean you are talking about subscription, like some books that are closed access, and if you share them, like it may involve. No, you have to be careful. Yeah, the book you are sharing, you have to be sure that it is freely available online, and maybe the copyright allows you to share it. So in that case, you can do it. But for the ones that maybe you have to pay subscription, you know what we have been dragging with that complementary medicine. When you will put, the certificate, they already disturbing us. So that's it. Yeah, I understand you. But that's what I'm saying. Anything you are doing, try to do it. I think from your own, like Control H. I think this is the Sosa. Yes, that's right. Like this, that we did. I think there is a page I created, and all the content is, this one. I wrote this one. I just visited some site and created this history myself, so I can freely put it. I created this, everything. Yes. So you can. It's better for you to do it yourself, and then rather than like all these downloads. This one I have to be sure that what all these are freely available, so that I don't have any problem with anyone at the end coming to take me to court. Yeah, so that's it. So inshallah, in the absence of everything, Mr. Chairman, I would like to thank everyone for this guy. All right, so I would like to thank everyone for finding time to attend this hands-on training. Though it takes a lot of your time, but at least it's worth spending time to learn. And this is, like I said, this is an opportunity that you spend heaps of money to get a chance or the opportunity to attend and learn. But now we are giving it free, and inshallah, I will share the video and the notes so that you can, at your own pace, go and create your website and use it for your own purpose. And inshallah, if you have any questions, send it to me through my email or my contacts, and inshallah, I'll be happy to assist. For that question, I'll hand over to the chairman.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ibrahim Jato, for this wonderful presentation. And then we thank everyone for attending and for listening attentively. Inshallah, like what the presenter said, the notes and recordings will be available soon. And I urge us to also try and do create our own website because it will help us. And in the end, thank you very much, Dr. Jato. And with this, I think we come to the end of today's session. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless and reward you abundantly, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Allah al-Kasum. Anyway, bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye, sir.